We've all seen a million videos on exactly how to change your oil. This is how not to change your oil. A funnel is a great tool for pouring oil in your engine. That way you don't make a mess. I've been doing this a long time. If you want, all the cool guys, just eyeball it in here. You just get your angle. Nope, that's not it. I get it, I got it. Maybe the funnel's a good idea. Here's a fail. You don't want to play eeny, meeny, miny, mo when you're getting your drain plug wrench out. Nope, that's not in the ballpark. That's not it. Back up. Here's a better idea. Grab a few wrenches and go down there once. That's the move. Another common fail is not having enough oil capacity in your drain pan. It could overflow. It could go literally everywhere. It's the worst. Zach, we need kitty litter. Lots of it. Another common mistake that people make is that they don't keep a good hold on the drain plug when they're draining their oil. And it's really simple. You just, not that. It's in the pan. Oh. Another major fail you want to avoid is you got to make sure that your drain plug is back in your oil pan before you start filling it up with that new oil. Because if you don't, there it goes. All that good dinosaur juice, wasted. Perfectly good oil. Here, look, it's in my hand. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Sweet Maria.